I am Dr. Miftah Lawal, UNHCR's Assistant Public Health Officer. I'm speaking to you from UNHCR Community Day Center. It's a place where many of you come to get health assistance from our partner IRC, the International Rescue Committee, or psychosocial counseling and support from CHISVI. But since March, when the first coronavirus cases were reported in Libya, we had slightly to change the way we operate here to ensure social distancing, small crowd sizes, in order to keep health and safety for everybody. The biggest change is that you cannot just turn up to get help unless it is an emergency. You need to make an appointment. To do that, you can call the numbers listed at the end of the video. But did you know there are other places in Tripoli where you can have access to primary healthcare services for free? And those places can be nearer to where you live. The UNHCR support health partners in several primary healthcare centers. The following primary healthcare centers are the places where you can have access for free services. It is a free services, which means that you don't need to pay. These are the primary healthcare center might be located nearer to where you live. Zawiyat Dahmani Primary Healthcare Center, Al-Harak Primary Healthcare Center, Al-Nusb al-Tadkari Primary Healthcare Center, El-Mgarif Primary Healthcare Center, Al-Qadisiyah Polyclinic, Al-An'itaq Clinic. Gergerich Primary Healthcare Center is temporarily closed and soon will be reopened. If you have TB, you can visit Libyan National Center of Disease Control TB Clinic. It's open every day and it's for free. You can come here for diagnosis, follow-ups and medicine. In case of emergency, please call the emergency medical hotline that's run by UNHCR health partner IRC. And also we can arrange for ambulance transportation to health facility. For medical appointments at the CDC, please call these numbers. Please stay safe and healthy. Remember to wear your mask when you go outside in the crowd and you wash your hands regularly. These are simple steps, but it can help to keep you and your community well.